Integration between the Tenancy Portal and Protege GX provides a simple way to automatically generate a phone book for the Protege Entry Station from user records. This complete end-to-end video intercom system is made up of 3 parts: the Protege GX server that syncs with the Tenancy Portal, the Protege Entry Station, and the Protege mobile app. Ideal for multifamily dwellings and large commercial sites, users listed in the phone book can receive calls from the Protege Entry Station, see and speak to visitors or delivery people, then unlock the door for them, all directly from their mobile. Before we can sync our Protege GX records with the Tenancy Portal, we need to create a specific Protege GX operator with the administrator role applied. To create a new operator in Protege GX, navigate to Global, then Operators. Click Add, then enter a name. Enter a username and password. Set the role to Administrator. This provides the required access for synchronization. Enable Show PIN numbers for users, then save. You'll now need to log out of Protege GX and log back in with the new operator so that changes can be made and tracked easily. Once logged in, we can enable Tenancy Portal Synchronization. First up, head to Global Sites. Select or create a site that will use this integration and then go to the Portal tab. Select Enable Portal Synchronization. Enter the username and password for the company operator that logs into the Tenancy Portal. Then save. To sync Protege GX users to the Tenancy Portal, they must have an email address and a tenancy name. Go to the Users menu and select the user you'd like to synchronize. Enter the user's email, then go to the Portal tab and enter a tenancy name for the user. The Portal tab is only available when synchronization is enabled for the site. Save the changes. For this example, we'll add a few more users. Integration with Protege GX is managed by the Protege GX Wireless Credentials Synchronization Service. This service periodically checks and syncs the selected Protege GX site and users to the Tenancy Portal. Launch the installation wizard and follow the prompts. When the installation is complete, click Finish. This sync service is configured using the Protege GX Wireless Credentials Synchronization Manager. Open the Sync Manager and stop the service. Updates are saved when clicking Start, so this helps to ensure that changes are saved. Set the sync interval to the frequency of minutes or seconds for the service to sync Protege GX records. Ensure that the SOAP service address is correct for your setup. Add the sync operator username and password. Leave the portal server and authentication server address as default. Start the service to save changes and run the Sync Manager. You can now open the Protege Tenancy Portal. Log in with the company operator that is syncing Protege GX. You can view the synced records by navigating to Phonebook and selecting the relevant record. The Tenancy Portal directory integration allows you to sync a Phonebook with a Protege Entry Station. To do this, copy the required Phonebook ID. Log in to the Entry Station's web interface. Go to Device Settings, Directory Sync. Paste the copied ID into the Phonebook ID field and save. The Phonebook details will now sync to the Entry Station directory, completing the setup. For more information on this topic, visit our website.